My name is Miss Kitty Ann and welcome back to another YouTube video. So in this one I'm going to be taking you guys with me to get my favorite snack. We're going to eat it and then we're going to just talk a little bit. So it's going to be really fun and stay tuned. Ooh. We have obtained the grub. We got our milk tea, a black milk tea, just Earl Grey milk tea. And we got our food. Look at, ooh, dumplings. Very tasty looking. Okay, this is me stabbing into the door. Pretty good stuff. I just got off the phone with my parents. They need help with this thing they're doing. Kind of annoying because it's hard to figure out. They need to call customer service and figure something out. So slightly aggravating, but I think we're making progress on it. I like to dip mine in soy sauce, some kind of sauce. Tasty. Kind of wish the soy sauce was a different brand. I'm very picky about my soy sauce, but not bad. Let's put some more sauce. Okay. Oh no, we're spilling. This is the downside of doing it in the car. A super big downside. But it's okay, we're gonna get through it. We're gonna do it. We're gonna clean it up as we go. So yeah, I really like Potstickers and Asian food in general. Life has been pretty chill so far. And I've been wanting to make a YouTube video for a while, but I wasn't sure what topic, and I got kind of busy, so it's kind of on the back burner. But really glad I decided to make this video so I can post again. You guys can see what I'm up to. Much for having a little snack with me. I hope you guys liked it. Feel free to comment in the comments what your favorite snack food and place to go for snacks is. Please follow me on my other social medias. I have TikTok, Instagram, where I'm most active. And please consider subscribing. Like this video if you liked it, and become a subscriber. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!